I went shopping. Look. Y'all want to see what I bought? If y'all don't want to see what I bought, then don't worry about it. But anyhow, I went to Dooney Bourke. We just went to the outlets. So, I got this. You got a wrapping tissue. So I got this. It's got a little scratch on the back, but it's okay. It was $103, and it's like a work bag. And all this tissue paper. Here's the receipt. We went to the outlet. Me and my sisters. We went to the outlet, did a little shopping. Uh-oh. So I'm just gonna throw this. It has a little strap. See where you can carry it on each side? It's on this side too. It's a little strap. I'm in the basement. I'm in my basement closet. It's so hot outside today. It's like 90 degrees, but anywho. So yeah, so this strap goes on here. So it goes on this bag, and this is the little keychain thing. I guess they kept them together. And it's red in the inside, and it has a inside pocket. And so I got another pocket here with a zipper. So I thought it was cute. It's not waterproof, but it's like canvas. It's got the Dooney Bourke little logo. So that's that one. And then I got another bag from Dooney Bourke. And I got this in the box. So this is like a fake crocodile. The original price is $2.98. This is called a Tammy tote and espresso, and this one was $149 plus I didn't even get my birthday discount. So these are the straps, and they both come with a Dooney Bourke the coat, what you call the dust bag. So this one has a Dooney Bourke dust bag. Pretty sure it says Dooney Bourke on it. And this is what the inside looks like. So yeah, this one's cute. I couldn't decide which one to get, so I just went ahead and got both. I got both. And then this one also, it has a little front pocket here. You put the dust bag back in there and take all the. And then I got this little Dooney Bourke. It's like a little wallet, actually. See? And it has little Dooney Bourke card. This one, I think it was $49. Let me show y'all what the inside looks like. It's got credit card slots. This is kind of cute. You can put like your lipstick or change or something. I think you can probably use it like a little wallet. It's cute. Let's see how much it costs. I bought one of my sister's one. It was $46. $46. One of these bags I got $37 off of it. The first one, I think I got $37 off of it. So yeah, that's that. And then we went to the Coach outlet. got this Coach bag. This Coach bag, it's reminds you of the Marc Jacob bags. I think what do they call this bag? It's got the long little strap, and it's got a pocket back here. Then it has two compartments here. What do they call this? Does this have a name on it? What is it? Retro strap. Jess. CB Jess. Original price $3.50. So I got this. And I got the wallet. Got a red wallet. I like this. It's got the credit card slots, and it's got the part where you could put bills and change. So this is that. And I got the key ring. Red cherry key ring. I thought it was so cute. Or pink or whatever color. And I got my sister one. So, how much did I do? The key ring was $30. The purse was $113.98. And the wallet was $50. This was $50, 33 cents. I like it because it's slim. And that's all. So, how much was my damage today? $436.89 plus $242. So, that's all I got. Peace out. Deuces. There we go.